Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Idea Chinese. This is our grammar lesson. Today we're gonna learn this word, 看起来. It means it looks like, it seems like. For example, 他看起来很累. He looks tired. 累 means tired. Look at this one. 这个菜看起来很好吃. This dish looks delicious. 菜 means dish. 好吃 means delicious. Now please try to make a sentence by yourself according to this picture. How to say she looks very happy. It's 她看起来很开心. 开心 means happy. Now let's look at this picture. Can you make a sentence according to this picture? How to say he seems sleepy? We will see the answer in the next video. Now let's share the answer to the question I left last time. I thought it was raining outside is 我以为外面在下雨. Did you write the right sentence? Okay, see you in the next video.